should be recording through my microphone, so my voice should be a little bit clearer. Ooh, look at that. That's the startup of a 2800, eh? Heading to Bundaberg, I think. I'm not sure entirely. Although that sound is just amazing. And the smell. That startup sounds just... Ooh, I'm getting goosebumps because of how nice it smells. And of how... Dum dum, dum dum. My next video is going to be on trains. I bought the Warwick to Wollongara route for it, so that's going to be a next video. I'm still not comfortable recording my voice for them,